Hi, I'm Alex Berger from Berger Law in Marquette, Michigan. Today I'm going to tell you about what to expect for a final pretrial conference in Marquette County for misdemeanors. So, in the life of a misdemeanor in Marquette County District Court, it starts off with an arraignment where you appear at court for the first time, usually over Zoom. Then you have a pretrial conference where you sit in the hallway and your attorney goes in and talks to the prosecutor. And then, if your case is headed for trial, they will set it for a final pretrial conference and jury trial. So that's what we're talking about here today. The final pretrial conferences are always on a Monday, and they are to determine who is going to go to trial the following Tuesday, as in 7 days later. Usually there's about 15 to 25 final pretrial conferences on any given Monday in Marquette County, and so they're really figuring out, can they resolve the cases or which one has priority to go to trial the following Tuesday. The final pretrial conference for you will be a lot like the pretrial conference. If you need to appear by Zoom or over the phone, you need to ask well in advance of your attorney, and they'll ask the prosecutor and the judge. But generally, you go there, you sit in the courtroom this time, and then your attorney talks to the prosecutor, and they try to figure out what's going on. A lot of times, it'll just be a quick 2 or 3 minute conversation, and then you'll leave. And your attorney will talk with the prosecutor some more. They'll go out throughout the day, go through all the final pretrial conferences, and then by Thursday of that week, they'll have a better sense of who's going to trial. As I said, there's 15 to 25 of these all set for jury trial on the same day as yours, so the chance of yours going, even if you are going to have a trial, is low. What you need to do is keep in contact with your attorney, be ready to appear at the jury trial until you're told otherwise. And if your trial is not the one that goes when it's scheduled, you'll just do this whole process again. They'll set another final pretrial conference and jury trial date. But the important thing to do is keep in contact with your attorney about changing schedules. These hearings move a lot, and always appear to court when you're supposed to, or make arrangements to appear by Zoom if you cannot appear in person. Thank you.